I am enjoying hiking here at Hot Springs. The trails are really nice, so I appreciate that. Yeah, definitely check out this trail if you're ever in Hot Springs. You guys, I am in love with the trees. Oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. I'm so in love with these trees. Wow, this is an absolutely gorgeous trail. I can't get enough of Arkansas. I just can't. So this is the sunset lookout spot. Still pretty early. There's no sun setting right now, but I can imagine it looking real nice if the sun is out and if the sun is actually setting. But yeah, I'm gonna continue hiking along the West Mountain Trail, and I should be back to the car pretty soon. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with all of my hiking adventures. I have a lot more exploring to do in Arkansas, and I am really excited to take you along with me. So this lookout gives you a really nice view of Hot Springs, as you can see there, and then you can also see at a distance the mountain tower that I went to the other day is right there. So it's a pretty cool view.